All right. Welcome to this presentation about Celestiq LOS. My name is Vikas, and I'm going to quickly walk you through what Celestiq LOS is, and then we can head over to the actual product demo. So, in simple terms, Celestiq is a loan origination system. It helps you modify loan applications and push them towards your loan management system. So the entire underwriting process, the KYC verification, and the user onboarding, everything happens through this LOS. Right. In terms of modules, Celestiq LOS has some great core modules. For example, we support omni-channel lead acquisition. We have automatic lead qualification. There's KYC verification, credit bureau integration for fetching credit reports, the CIBIL score. Then we allow multiple bank logins and tracking. This particular feature is useful especially to the loan aggregation, individuals or DSAs as we call it. Then we have a secure documents management system wherein whatever files are submitted by the loan applicants can be securely stored and accessed through the document management system. We have an email inbox integration wherein the incoming emails from clients can directly be mapped to the respective loan application. So, for example, someone sends in their Aadhaar card via email, the system will automatically detect which loan application to map this Aadhaar card to, and you won't have to separately download the Aadhaar card and upload it within the system. The Celestiq LOS will do it for you. Then we also have the post disbursement documentation process, wherein uh, documents like the loan agreement or any verification report, all of that can be accommodated within the same system. We have a follow-ups and reminders option, wherein leads and their associated communication will happen through the platform itself. So, for example, if a lead is registered and a meeting is scheduled for, say, 2 days after, the system will automatically remind you 30 minutes before or an hour before about the meeting. We have multiple dashboards and reports. We have a customizable rules engine. We have a products master where you can define what products your organization is into. You can define the number of banks your organization works with. You can define custom rules with the custom role-based access control policy. Then we have a users master where you can add other users for your platform. So if you have maybe a team of 20, 50 people working for you, you can provide them access to the Celestiq LOS via this module. Then we have a documents master. We have a customizable workflow. Then we also maintain activity logs of different activities happening throughout the system. So these are basically like audit logs. Then we support multiple API integrations as well, primarily with credit bureaus, and if third party system wishes to integrate with our LOS, that is feasible as well. All right, let's move to the core features. Now, the system supports both secured and unsecured lending products. So, if it's a secured product, uh, you can attach properties to the loan application. If it's an unsecured product, that is supported as well. Next, we have multi-channel lead acquisition. So, say you have a mobile app or multiple websites or social media through which the leads are coming in. We can integrate them using APIs, and the leads can start flowing through the Celestiq LOS from any source. Then we have a module for follow-ups and reminders. As I previously explained, the system automatically sends you reminders regarding different events that have been tagged into the system. Then we have an automatic lead qualification system, which helps you qualify leads automatically through predefined algorithms. So, for example, if a KYC verification fails for PAN or Aadhaar card, we can automatically reject leads. If the CIBIL score is below, say, 600, we can add that as a parameter for automatic lead qualification. So, if someone sends through a profile which has a CIBIL score of less than 600, the system can automatically disqualify the lead. So there are multiple parameters for lead qualification, but yes, automatic lead qualification is supported. Then we have a customizable rules engine wherein you can define rules for the products based on the products and the banks as to uh, what loan applicant or a loan application must have, what parameters should the loan application have to automatically be eligible for a loan. Then we have KYC verification and fraud detection feature built within the Celestiq LOS uh, um, that helps you basically detect fraud within bank statements uploaded by the customer, do a video KYC verification of the customer. Then we have a document storage wherein all the customer loan documents can be uploaded within the platform. Next, we have email inbox integration. As we earlier discussed, if a person applies for a loan and uh, sometime in the future, maybe 2 3 days later, sends over documents through an email, these documents can directly be mapped to the respective loan application within the LOS. Then, Celestiq LOS also supports multiple bank logins, wherein a single loan application can be sent over to multiple banks for disbursement or approval. This module is useful for loan DSAs. Then we have an entire workflow for approval and disbursement, wherein while approving a loan, uh, the credit manager is able to specify how much amount is approved, at what rate of interest it is approved, and while disbursing a loan, additional parameters like the date of first EMI can be added to the platform. Once a loan is disbursed, the documentation that comes after the loan disbursement can be done from the platform as well, like loan agreements. The system also sends out automatic email and SMS notifications based on different events. The events for which the notification should go is again customizable. We have a robust reporting and analytics dashboard which helps you analyze the lending pattern and uh, the incoming lead quality. Celestiq LOS has customizable forms and workflows. Uh, so this platform can be tailored to adapt to your unique workflows and requirements of loan servicing. We already support multiple third-party integrations with credit bureaus for document verification and e-signing. The Celestiq LOS is built with security in mind, and please be rest assured that whatever happens in the LOS uh, will stay in the LOS. This platform has been certified by a independent pen testing agency and is as secure as any other enterprise software. We support a role-based access control system wherein we can create dynamic roles and define their individual permissions within the system. This is useful if you're running a large organization with multiple teams, multiple users having access to granular access to different data in the LOS. We also support on-premise installation, wherein Celestiq LOS can be installed on your premises or your preferred cloud. Celestiq also comes with a white label license, wherein Celestiq LOS can be installed on your premises or on your cloud with your logo and your branding. Yeah, that was pretty much it about the Celestiq LOS. Let's head over to the actual LOS for a demo. Okay, welcome to the demo of the Celestiq LOS. My name is Vikas, and what we are seeing in front of us right now is the dashboard for the LOS. In this demo, we are going to see how we can add a lead and process it from onboarding to the disbursement part. Okay. Now, right now, for the sake of this demo, we've configured this for B2B products. I'm going to start by adding a lead. Say to add a lead, I'm going to type in the company name. So this is suitable for corporate lending. Again, this LOS is completely customizable and can be customized to whatever your needs are. So far, I have filled my personal information. Now, the system is asking me for a product. Now, the list of products that we see here is customizable. We can add as many products as we want. For the sake of this demo, I'm going to say this profile for mortgage loan. And I need mortgage loan for say 1 crore. Now, this is asking me for an industry, say manufacturing, I must say. And then we can just assign a rating that helps us understand how hot or cold this lead is. I'm just going to say give this a 5-star rating. All other fields are optional. For example, if we have a CIBIL score available, we can put that over here. If there are any recent bounces in the check, we can state that over here. We can add vintage of the company as to how old the company is, and if the GST was filed for the last month, or what was the last month for which the GST was filed. I'm going to skip through this through the office address. Then these are the list of documents that are required for uh, a mortgage loan for a private limited company. This list is again configurable based on the product selection. Right now, what we see here that is marked by star are mandatory documents. If I want to select other documents, I can do that as well. For lead generation, I'm going to select this channel as celestiq.com. I'm going to assign this lead to Celestiq admin. Once you have other team members configured over here, you can assign those team members from here. I'm going to register the first follow-up for this lead for tomorrow. And since this lead is preferring say private a loan from private bank, I'm going to select that preference over here, and I can add some personal remarks over here. Once I'm happy with this, I'm going to say continue. So what happened in the background is this lead was registered, and the email using which this lead was registered uh, will receive a message from the system asking for the list of documents that are required. And if the user responds to that email, we will receive the documents over here in the platform. Now, let's select this lead and try to understand this area. Here we have basic profile, office details, directors and partners, and references. So for example, if this company has two directors, I'm going to add those details over here. All other details are optional. I'm going to just add to another one. Let's see it and close. Now two directors for this company have been added. Next, we can enter the financial for this company. So since in banking, financials of last 3 years is mandatory, I'm going to add some details over here. So what was the last year's sales? Just going to run through this quickly. I can add other details as well, like what was the gross profit, depreciation, interest, director remuneration, and the net profit. So it's quite in details. Alright. Once the financials are updated, I can add a debt profile if this loan applicant has other debts, I can add those over here. Like so. So if there are four active loans, we can add those four active loans over here. Next, we have a property card. Since this is a mortgage loan, we must add a property that the user wishes to mortgage. So we select a property type, we select the approving authority, we select if the plan is sanctioned or not. We can then specify the area. We're gonna just find an address for the property. We're gonna save and close this. So we've also added a property over here. Next, we can specify the documents that we have received so far. And if we wish to upload documents, we can upload documents from here, like so. Next, if we have a single report available with us, we can then specify it over here. If we have an active Sybil integration, this will be automatically populated for you. I'm just going to leave it as it is right now. Okay. All right. I think we've almost completed the profile. However, there are some minor details that are pending, but I think we can skip that. Next, we have the follow-ups area over here, wherein we can register multiple follow-ups with this client, and the system will send you automatic reminders and notifications based on the dates scheduled over here for the follow-ups. Then we have bank logins. You'll see the recommendations over here that the system is recommending uh, different banks for the loan application based on the details we have entered. This is a customizable part and can be customized through the settings. Now, for example, if I'm a DSA, I can log in to multiple banks. I'm just going to log this into Aditya Birla, and then we are going to log this into, say, HDFC as well. Now, please note that this loan application number 72 has been logged into two different financial institutions. Assuming HDFC Bank provides an approval, we can mark this one as approved, and then we can specify what amount has been approved for what tenure and at what rate of interest. If there's any program under which this loan application was approved, we can definitely add that over and the date of approval. All right. Okay. So now this loan application has been approved. Let's quickly refresh this page and see if this is my deed. To go to bank logins. Now you see the status as approved over here. Once approved, you can mark the disbursement when the disbursement happens. Something's not right over here. Okay. But yeah, this is how the disbursement can be marked in the platform. Next, we can add the bank queries raised by the bank. So, for example, Aditya Birla, we have logged into Aditya Birla and they are not happy with the KYC. And they're asking for a clear copy of our ID proof. We can mark that query over here. So, if there are multiple queries, those queries can be logged here and addressed from here. So, we also have a note section wherein we can type in notes and notes for our reference and save it. And we have a payout section. This is applicable if this deed is coming from a DSA. And we have a snapshot section wherein we are saving the different stages through which the loan application has progressed. We then have an email section. Right now we have not sent any emails from this email address, which is why it's not showing anything. Then we have a summary section that provides a summary of this loan application to be sent to different bankers for reference. This summary does not contain any personally identifiable information. It only has a high level profile that we have completed for the customer. It can be downloaded as a PDF and shared through WhatsApp or any other medium. So yeah, that was a quick demo. Unfortunately, we are out of time right now. It's a big application, but yeah, I hope you liked it. Please get in touch with us if there's anything else that you need or if you'd like to schedule an in detail demo. Thank you so much.